false LinkedIn profiles, false LinkedIn company profiles. So this is one of them. If you type in Kellogg's, this is what comes as in a search tab as a result. So you can see that Kellogg's company logo has been used here. The first red flag is that there is no cover photo. As far as I know, it's illegal to use another company's registered company trademark and logos, protected logos. And then the second red flag is that it just has, one post, and then it has 88 employees in this company on LinkedIn. So they have 88 false profiles. See, if you click on it, it's like these profiles are of the people that are like Kellogg's employees, but look how it's written, Kellogg, and look how the cereals is written. Okay, let's just try any of these profiles. Let's see. See? You cannot even view it. Profiles out of your network have limited visibility. They've set up their profiles in private mode. Again, let's try any of the other. Okay, let's try here. Again, the same thing. Not to talk about this one here or this one. I mean, it's very much obvious it's false profile. Okay, let's try this one. False profile. How do you know this false profile doesn't have a cover photo? They just pick up, not their photo on profile photo. There's no cover photo. False company page, then low number of connections, then see the activity of this profile. It's just one post over again, and see, twice shared this one, and the content itself, you should take a look at that. And then experience in just one company for 19 years, and then there is no description, nothing. So it's false profile. And you could see just for this so-called Kellogg's company, Kellogg's cereal, and look how it's written, there are 88 false profiles on LinkedIn. See, 88. That's very interesting.